Under the patronage of His Excellency Abdel Fattah Said Hussein Khalil el-Sisi, President of Egypt and current Chairperson of the African Union, and Ahmed Mohamed Ahmed El-Tayeb, the Grand Imam of Al-Azhar, the Association of African Universities (AAU) presents its biennial conference of Rectors, Vice-Chancellors and Presidents of African Universities (COREVIP). Venue: Al-Azhar University, Cairo, Egypt. Date: 8th to 11th of July 2019. Host: Government of Egypt and Al-Azhar University. Theme: Role of higher education institutions in promoting the Continental Education Strategy for Africa, CESA 1625. The rationale for the theme is to promote a deeper appreciation of the Continental Education Strategy by all stakeholders and reflect on the communication, governance, networking, implementation, and funding mechanisms of the strategy. Register and be part of the largest assembly of higher education stakeholders in Africa as they assemble in Cairo from 8th to 11th of July 2019 to chart the way forward for African higher education. For registration and further details on COREVIP 2019, please visit www.event.aau.org/COREVIP.